Hello, all of my superheroes out there. I know I look a little different today, but it's because I've become somebody that people like to call Super Pool. Now, you can call me Miss Super Pool if you want, but you can just call me Super Pool. But I've seemed to become this superhero during this time of virtual PE. I don't know what has happened, but I've become Super Pool. So, in the different videos that we're going to do, Super Pool might come out, just like I'm here today. But I have different identities, so I might not always be in blue, so you got to look out and see what I'm going to come like in the next time that we are together. But for today, I'm going to be in all blue. I have my cape, and I have my eyes on right here, but I am going to be a superhero going through some different gym activities today because I know at home you guys are being superheroes with all of the work that you have to do and all of the gym videos that you're completing. You're doing such a good job that I thought I could join in and be a superhero with you. So for the videos that we do, if you have a cape at home or if you want to look like a superhero for your videos, then that would be awesome. You can match me a little bit, but you don't have to. You can just watch me be a superhero on the screen. But for today, we're going to do some fun activities, but we have to warm up first. So after we warm up, I'll tell you the equipment that you will need because you do need some stuff to prepare for today. But before we get there, let's warm up first. First thing we're going to do is we are going to run in place as fast as you can for 30 seconds. Now, 30 seconds is a long time, but we're superheroes. So 30 seconds is nothing to us. Are you ready? Get set, go! We're going to do are called twists. We're going to do 10 twists. So you're going to twist, 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 and we're going to count together. We're going to do 10 twists. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, superheroes. All right, our next thing we're going to do, I know that superheroes fly, but this superhero is going to climb. So we're going to do 10 mountain climbers, but we're going to stay standing. So what that looks like is you're going to lift your arm, lift your leg, lift your other arm and your other leg, and we're going to do this motion as fast as we can. We're going to do 20 mountain climbers. So you can count with me. Every time we lift up our arm and leg, that's 1. And then we'll lift up our other one, and that would be 2. We're going to do 20. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. All right, our last thing for our warm-up, we are going to do 10 toe touches. So you're going to have your feet spread out a little bit like this, and you're going to reach down and touch one toe. Come up. Touch the other toe. Come up. Do 10 total. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way until we get to 10. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Superheroes, are you ready for our activity? All right, superheroes. Our next thing that we are going to do is going to take 10 pieces of paper. So ask someone in your family to help you because you're going to need 10 pieces of paper, and you're going to write a number on each of those pieces of paper like this. So this is number 1. You're going to number 1 all the way to number 10. So if you can kind of see my papers down here, I have 10 different papers, and every one of them has a number on it. It kind of looks backwards on the screen, but it has a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So once you get your papers and you have numbers 1 to 10 on all of those papers, come back and I'll let you know how to set it up for our game. All right, go fly away, superheroes. All right, now what I need you to do is I need somebody to help you if you need it, but you're going to put out the papers that you just numbered on the ground like this. So you'll have 5 in the top row and 5 in the bottom row, but you can put them out in any order that you want. Just make sure that they are not in the correct order. So you don't want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want it to be mixed up. So mine, they are like this. I have 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 9, 7, 5, 8, 10. So make sure they're mixed up. Once you do that, then we will start our game. So this next game is called the Superhero Shuffle because we're superheroes and we're going to be shuffling. So that's the name of the game. And in this game, you have to listen to me because you have your 10 pieces of paper laid out on your ground. And make sure you're doing this in socks just so that you don't crumple up the paper with your sneakers. But you're going to have your 10 pieces of paper on the ground and they have numbers 1 to 10 on them. I am going to call out different numbers. Your job is with 2 feet together to jump from number to number, the ones that I call. So if I say number 1, you're going to jump on number 1. Then if I say number 5, you have to find number 5 and then jump on number 5. But sometimes I'm going to get a little harder and I might say 3 numbers that you would need to jump to, like 1, 2, 3. And you would take your feet and start at 1 and jump from 1 to 2 to 3. So listen to me because it might get a little hard. Some of them are easy, some of them are hard, but you might need to remember the numbers that I say. So we're going to start out easy, but you always need to listen, and I'm going to be doing it also, but my numbers might be a little different than yours. They might be mixed up differently. So make sure you find your numbers so that you can jump to the right ones the whole time. You ready? Get set. Go. All right, superheroes. Our first 3 numbers are going to be 1, 2, and 3. So find number 1, jump from number 1 to number 2 to number 3. All right, we're moving on to 4, 5, and 6. So find number 4, start there, jump 4, 5, 6. All right, I think a lot of you know what's coming up next. 7, 8, 9, 10. So find 7, jump 7, 8, 9, oh boy, 10. All right, superheroes, it's going to get hard. So you need to listen carefully. I'm going to give you 3 numbers that you will need to remember. They will not be in order. So whatever 3 numbers I say, start at the first number, and you're going to jump from number to number, just like we were doing, but you need to remember the pattern that I say. So get ready for round 2. All right, numbers 7, 3, 5. 7, 3, 5. Numbers 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Numbers 1, 7, 10. 1, 7, 10. Numbers 9, 5, 3. 9, 5, 3. Numbers 6, 2, 9. 6, 2, 9. All right, I think we need more of a challenge. So for this one, you're going to jump in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, except you're going to only use one foot. Now, not just your right foot the whole time or just your left foot. You're going to switch. So you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, like you are running. So watch first. you're going to do something like this. But in order. So start at number 1 and jump all the way until you get to 10. Ready, set, go. All right, now that one was pretty easy, maybe, who knows. But we're going to move now to counting down all the way from 10 to 1. So you're going to start at 10, and you're going to go from 10 to 9 to 8 to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 1, and then we will move on. Are you ready? Get set, go. So now I need your superhero speed. If you need help, you can ask your superhero family. But what I'm going to have you do is take your numbers one at a time, and you're going to line them up in a straight line in order. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in one straight line, and then come back and we'll move on. I'm going to do it also in the background just in case you're a little confused so you can see what it looks like, but we're going to do it before we can move on to our next thing. Ready, set, go. For this round, we are now going to run through the number line, starting from 1, going all the way to 10, but only one foot can touch a number at a time. So just like we did at the end, you're going to switch your feet. So you're going to go right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, just like you are running. But you're not going to run too fast because you are in your house. So we're going to start at number 1, go all the way to 10, and then go all the way back to 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready for your superhero speed? Get set, go. You guys are doing awesome. But now we're going to start at number 10. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go from 10 all the way to 1. And then all the way back to 10. Ready? Get set, go. All right, for this one, you're going to start at number 1, but you're going to go sideways through the number line, so like a side shuffle. So if you need help, I want you to watch me real quick before we get started. When I say go, it will be your turn. We're going to go from 1 to 10 and back to 1. So watch me first and wait for me to say go. Ready, set, go. Superheroes for this one. This is going to be your last one for this specific game. So for this one, we are going to do a hopscotch type of a thing. So with hopscotch, your feet will start outside of the paper, and then they're going to jump together on the paper. Then out, in, out, in. So watch me first and wait for me to say go, but you're going to go from 1 to 10, back to 1. Ready? Watch me first. Ready, set, go. All right, for this last game, you have to listen to me because I'm going to tell you two numbers, and your job is to jump on both of those numbers and then jump on the answer to the problem. So I'm going to give you a math problem. The very simple example, I might say 1 plus 1 equals, and then you would jump on 2. But you have to also jump on the number 1 every time I say it. So if I say 1 plus 1, you would jump on 1 2 times, and then jump on the answer, which is 2. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean really quick for our example. So if I said 1 plus 1 equals, you would start at the number 1, and you would do 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then you jump on the answer. So you will be jumping on 3 total numbers, the 2 numbers that are in the problem, and then the answer to that problem. So we're going to start now. I need you to listen to what the problem is, and then you're going to jump on the answer, hopefully before I do. So they're not going to be hard problems, but you will have to jump on that answer. You ready? Let me fix my mask. All right, listen for the first problem. The first problem is 2 plus 3 equals what? So let's see the numbers you jump on. 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, your next math problem. 4 plus 5 equals what? 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 5 equals what? 5 plus 5 equals 10. I know you're doing great because superheroes are just so smart, so you're probably getting all of these right. Next one. 4 plus 3 equals what? 4 plus 3 equals 7. 2 more. That's not your number. Just telling you. 2 more. Let's see. 4 plus 2 equals what? 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, this is going to be a big jump, so we'll see if you can do it. But you have to start at the bigger numbers. You have to start at 7. 7 plus 3 equals what? 7 plus 3, turning around, equals 10. Superheroes, I'm very proud of you. I think you did a very good job. But now it's time for some rest. My cape's going everywhere. It's time for some rest. So, go get a drink, go stretch out your muscles, and be ready for our next adventure. PE Power!